Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the first actionable tasks. Confirm the check valve type and orientation because backwards installation blocks flow. Once identified, isolate the line and bring pressure to zero. Relieve trapped pressure to avoid injury. Make sure sealing surfaces are clean and free of debris, and choose the recommended gasket or thread sealant. Install the valve in the indicated flow direction with initial hand-tight engagement. Do not force threads. Tighten to torque spec gradually, while keeping alignment correct to prevent leaks or distortion. Once the valve is seated, tighten bolts evenly in a star pattern to the specified torque to avoid warping. This ensures a uniform seal. After mechanical installation, repressurize the system slowly while visually and audibly checking for leaks or vibration. Make short flow pulses to verify the valve opens at the expected cracking pressure and closes cleanly without chatter. If adjustable, fine-tune spring per load per manufacturer instructions. Record pressure readings and inspect downstream components to confirm correct integration before returning to service. Finish by running a sustained test at normal operating pressure and flow for 5 to 15 minutes to verify long-term behavior. If you observe leakage, immediately isolate and recheck orientation, torque, and seat surface for damage or debris. Replace gaskets or the valve if necessary. If you hear flutter or intermittent closing, consider adding a flow damper, adjusting pilot settings, or using a valve with a higher cracking pressure. Finally, document adjustments and schedule a follow-up inspection after 24 hours of service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.